Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Tonight in my kitchen, I'm going to do some guacamole. I have got 2 avocados that are ripe. I've got lime juice, some red pepper, some tomatoes. I have diced an onion. And I think what I'm going to do is put it in my blender. Let me switch this around. I'll leave a little bit in there so it can have some texture. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of lime juice, about 2 tablespoons. I need some salt. Need some tomatoes. They have been washed. These are Roma tomatoes. They cook up better if you want to cook something with a tomato in it. These are really good for that. They'll be delicious in this guacamole. Lots of people have guacamole recipes. If I had cilantro, I'd use it, but I don't have any. I do like cilantro in mine. Well, this is not cooperating with me. There we go. Okay, let me peel this avocado. Get the seed out. I'm going to put the seed in the bowl that I'm going to serve it in. It'll help keep it fresher longer. Avocado is actually really good for you. It has lots of nutritional value and the good kind of fat that our bodies need. This would be good on toast. All right, let me get my hands a wash. Okay, and into I've got a few slices of lime, so I'm going to use those. Okay, I only had 1 slice of lime, but I'm going to use it. I'm going to add a little more lime juice. About 3 tablespoons. And some red pepper. About a teaspoon. There we go. It's looking good and smelling really good. It's going to be more red in color because of the amount of tomatoes that I used in it, which is fine. Fine with me. Let's give it a taste test. You can taste every vegetable in it. You stir it up and get those pieces of onion. This would be good on a burrito. It'd be good just with chips. It'd be good on toast. Guacamole, y'all. That's what I'm doing in my kitchen with my vegetables. Farm to table, table to soul. Thanks for watching. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real.